What I wish I knew at the start of my fitness journey: sleep is just as important as your workout routine. Let's dive in. You're hitting the gym hard, eating right, but those gains still seem elusive. What if I told you that the magic ingredient is something you're probably skimping on? Yep, it's sleep. When you sleep, your body enters repair mode. Growth hormone spikes, helping to rebuild and strengthen those muscle fibers torn during your workouts. It's like having your own personal repair crew working the night shift. Ever notice how sluggish you feel after a bad night's sleep? Lack of rest doesn't just mess with your mood, it hampers your muscle recovery. No sleep, no gains, folks. And get this, sleep helps balance your cortisol levels. High cortisol means your body is more likely to store fat and break down muscle. Not cool, right? So how much sleep are we talking? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality shut-eye. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. And remember, consistency is key. Regular sleep patterns help your body get into a rhythm, optimizing your muscle growth and recovery. So next time you think about skipping sleep, think again. Unlock those muscle gains and crush your fitness goals. Catch you later, sleep champs. Remember, dream big, sleep tight, and lift heavy.